Yeah.
All right, so what I'm going to do is one of the pieces of data that I want you guys to generate is to see how much water is displaced by your boat, and you're going to record that data. So when I sit the boat in there, we should be able to predict the mass of the boat pretty accurately. So we'll see how much spills out. Now this sometimes takes, you know what, it's so light. You know what, I think some of this, I had this thing set up last night and some of it may have evaporated. Let me get a little more in here. Now that's a good boat design, no displacement at all. I mean, you could do a boat design that good. Let me put a little bit more in here. So you got to, in order to have the data correct, you got to have this right at surface tension. Because if you don't do it, and that's the reason why I have this bucket here, because I want to get this, in order to have this data correct.
Can you figure out how much my phone weighs?
We probably can.
Let's do it.
And you're serious, right? You're gonna, is that one of those waterproof fins? All right, so this will give us, and sometimes this takes a long time to do, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the cargo block in here, and you're going to see a difference. Now probably, and we should be able to predict exactly how much this cargo block is going to be. And sometimes this takes about, because it's slow, it takes about 10 minutes, and we're going to be able to tell exactly how much the cargo block weighs. Okay? But you can see it's displacing the water. Okay, so when you run your boat, what I'm going to want you to do is have this piece of straw there that trips the timer. And I can see that this is going to take a little while to drain out. So we're already up to 80 grams of water. Now, does anybody else have their boat ready to go to run down the tank?
Yeah, I think ours is ready, isn't it?
Is it ready to go?
We got the swamp prop one. Yeah.
You have a timer on it, RJ?
It's just the cargo. I have nothing else.
All right, let's get a cargo block, RJ. Come on. All right, so